I know some of you are quite excited to be able to use the rubrics on Google Classroom, but did you know that you can actually prepare them in advance and just upload a template? So if you check out the comments of the video, I will put this link in there. I have a template, make sure you download a copy. So that's going to create a copy in my Google Drive. And so the example here, we've got 6 different criterion, which is maybe quite a lot for one piece of work. So let's just take some of them away. So you can see here that we've got 5 levels of difficulty, starting from 5 points, 4 points, 3 points, and working our way progressively downwards. Now, it's up to you how many you have. So maybe I'll take these 2 out and just have 3 levels. Okay, so criterion 1, you might want to put in something like use of grammar in extended writing. So that's what you're going to be marking. Now, your description is optional. So optional so you can see how it shows up. You can put in some further information or you can leave it blank, but do not delete the row. So 3 marks, I might want to call that one expect. I might want to call that one exceeding expected merging, whatever you wish. So it's a description of what you're looking for, because a rubric obviously tells the student what it is specifically that they have done, which has allowed them to reach that grade, and also applies that numerical mark to it as well. So basic use of grammar is evident in your writing. And this one, it might be use of grammar includes examples of X, Y, and Z as discussed in class. And use of grammar includes X, Y, and Z plus You can tell I'm not an English teacher here, or I'll be giving you decent examples. I'm also going to leave this one here. It says criterion 2. I'm going to leave that blank so you can see how it shows up in Google Classroom. So let me change this to example of, find it in my drive. So we're going to go to Google Classroom, and I'm going to choose this classroom, and I'm going to create an activity. So create assignment. And obviously you're going to create whatever for your students. Give them a document. Give them their own copy. And then over at the side you're going to give it a points value, due date, topic if you wish. And you're also going to add a rubric. So we're going to import from Sheets. And then I've just chosen that one that we've had. So you can see here where it says optional, and you can see where I've left in the other one. And then we click save. And then we assign.